Hi, I'm Shunpou, an ikebana artist. This time I'd like to introduce one of the sad forms of ikebana called Heika. Normally, we use this kind of a long vase. Let me instruct one by one from now. Okay, before arranging, let me list some good and bad points about this style. First, we don't have to prepare extra flower frogs such as kanzan. As you see, the containers for this type of ikebana are too long to place any hanadome at the bottom. So, we use some techniques around here. For those who want to try ikebana but don't have much stuff, this Heika is good to start. For second, containers can stand out. In Moribana, for example, it's possible to show you the last surfaces and the design of the container. Vases are to show you the outer design, so not only flowers, but vases we can show off. Now I have to tell you the bad point of this ikebana too. The most severe problem is that it's hard to get flowers stable. This is because the inside is too empty to stick each flower. With kanzan, by stopping the stems, it's easy to stabilize, but we don't do in a long vase. Of course, even though there's a solution which I tell later, it takes long to get used to it. The key for Heika is where to put the branches. Put it tilted, flat, up straight, or low. It's up to what kind of branches you use, so place them in appropriate angle. Alright, let's move to the top part, how to stabilize the flowers. For example, I would like to put this flower in this angle, but if I leave the hand, gravity works and it moves. With this, it's impossible to fit in my ideal angle. So how to do it? In the past, I've posted a video about ikebana tips, and one of them is Choji. Choji is a crossing to fit the flowers in the container. After that, I'm going to put some single flowers, this time sunflowers and gentian, to wherever you want, but not too long. Not too long, okay? If it's longer than the main part, the balance will collapse. When inserting flowers, try to use the narrow spaces and they will be erased easily. I'm in the middle of making, and when I put these flowers in, here looks nice because empty. But this area is too wide to have gaps in between. So if I put in here and release the hand, see, it moves naturally. It means it's not sticking. So, on purpose, I put from somewhere narrow. By doing this, if I release the hand, it doesn't move at all. Alright, this is the end of the video, but how are you finding this? On my channel, I'm posting this kind of ikebana videos, so if you like it, please don't forget to leave your likes, comments, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.